Before we get started, let me quickly show you the application we are going to build in this course. Well, this application is called Blood Trace and it's supposed to be used on your Android and iOS devices. We have a sign-in page here. Let me log in via this application. After the sign-in screen, we will have 4 options on the home page. Let's explore this Find Blood Group option and it will take me to this Find Blood page. And now I'm going to select the blood group and country and then search for all the possible results against this query. And here we go. Soon we will get all the blood donors that are willing to donate the blood. Now let's suppose that if I want the blood donation from this user, then let's tap this list item and now you can see that we have all the information of this donor. Well, if I want the blood on urgent basis, then let's call this donor by using this call option. Otherwise, let's email this person. Alright, now let's switch back to the home page. And suppose if you are a donor and want to donate the blood, then press the register blood group option and let's provide some details here. Let me quickly add some of my details like name, email, phone, and then pick the blood group and country. Now the interesting thing is that we will also use the image of the donor. So tap this camera icon and it will open the device camera. Then we will take the photo and save it accordingly. Once we save this photo, it will be shown here. Now let's submit the profile. You will get a confirmation that your profile has been added successfully. Cheers, because now I am a blood donor. Now if we go back and want to get the latest donors that can donate blood, then simply press this latest donors option and on this screen we will get all the latest donors. Also in this course we will create all the REST APIs of this application in ASP.NET. So are you excited to build this application with me? I hope you are. Then let's begin.